Minto bwakire osebwairire Satan New Jersey. It is what time? 11 igo bwakire akimogenderete kagirete kero muntu mbiare ngai abantu bali bakorokwa abasayi bali basayi come this way we talk abasayi nchunga. Where are you guys? Mkwani kirimo gocha mwankwani makwani namaya twabundise tunga twakwani abantu kera kwarura omuntu wakwani abantu aya rero t-shirt yane goteba speak your mind even if your voice shakes. Speak your mind even if your voice shakes. Okay? And how are you? That means ngaki no nyogo koyunga konyegeli bole. No nyogo koyunga toigwete bino igwete. Speak your mind. Even when you're feeling like you're afraid. So today is Monday. Happy Monday. We talk to the young people. We want to encourage young people. We want people who are not doing well to do well. We want people who don't know how to set goals to set goals. So on Monday is the day for us to set our goals. Today we want to talk about setting goals, yeah? The first question you need to ask yourself, ngaki, know what the goals? Kare boli ngaki, not aware, nga, nkyota itego change. Haya, ekero kwa bira aware, nabona bagoteba ngaki ninte itego chake biasara, ninte iteko ende skuru, ninte iteko nyoma, ninte iteko gole nyomba, ninte bali muri America ninte iteko fixe credit kiane, abandi bali mutali wesibi ninte iteko chaka wesibi, abali mutali koros chituki ninte iteko koros wetuki. Not aware what you really need to do. Awareness, yeah? Awareness. Oikaransa ibwika igoiri kitabu kiao. Oibolinga ngento kingwenete nkole. Ingwenete nchake rero Monday. Rero Monday. God has given us a beautiful Monday. Inkingwenete nkole. What is holding you back from setting those weekly goals, monthly goals, yearly goals? What is it? Are you aware? Okay? Identify what you need to change. What do you need to change? Onye lipstick, konye ntalikobeka mbeke lipstick. Onye makeup, konye ntalikobeka mbeke. Onye netukie nchanwe. Onye nevi asara nchake. What is that one thing? Today is Monday, yaba anabasai. Ngento kikiriote geto kole. What is holding you back from identifying? Kumanyanga nkyote ete kokora. Because you know some of you don't even know what you need to do. Okay, once you identify what you need to do, take action. Gather information, genda YouTube, genda se vitabu, genda se library. Ikaranza onye woko nyoro muntu bunabono mokondra ga igobutambe onye inche ngo motivate okole o set chi goals chiri chiao. Digipeni like my page, subscribe to my YouTube because I talk every day. Onye inche motivation yao, make sure you listen to me every day. Onye ne redire motivation yao, listen to the radio every day. Onye ne vitabu bire motivation yao, read those books every day. Find a way to get your information. Some people like to find documentaries and they are visual. They are not able to read a book. How are you getting your information so that you can grow yourself? You have to take action. Na kyoko your information ya elinde, you better yourself. Elinde we motivated, yeah? Gather all that information. Yote bamina kigentogete na gentogete. Na kinta etenkole, ochakira litukogete. Make sure nga na kolire gentogete na gentogete. Na inkonyora motivation yana ne bitabu ne TV. I stopped watching TV. I have to say it's probably 20 something years ago. I don't watch TV. In fact, timbu atinza chokolire TV. Because also given my age, I have a lot of responsibilities. Nimbuata wana nkoire college, nimbuate business in Koran, timbuatinza. In fact, I do not have time to watch TV. I've not watched TV in many years because nimbuate ji podcast inkolige ngotegerera. Nimbuate vitabu ntaiteko soma, nimbuate biasara ntaiteko kora, nimbuate mugondo, ngende toko ende gym. Ometumne gym. I've not gone to the gym for 2 months. I am so worried and I am paying. You understand? So I have so much to do. TV. Some of you have time for TV. Do you have that time for TV? Find out. inki keriota ete gokora connect ibintu biri askwarure na sogochia believe in yourself whatever keep moving forward. I want to work on this, I want to work on that, I want to do this, I want to do that, and accept your current situation, because your current situation, you are the one who has put yourself in that situation. No matter where you came from, no matter who you're married to, no matter what kind of place of work you have, everything that happens to you, you put yourself in that situation. Situation or accepting ayaya, in fact, I'm not doing well. Or accepting ayaya, we can't get any indagri. Or accepting ayaya, I'm always broke. Or accepting ayaya, I need a better marriage. Or accepting ayaya, I need to plan my meals so that way I can stay healthy. You have to come to that acceptance stage. But if you have set goals and you've written it down, no nyora chi relapse nekero ogo backslide onye na maruwati na handu wachkonyu. Onye ne jimo kwenda matukabere na handu watika. You understand? Manyanga koira na go backslide here and there, it is normal. It is not something that you are going to be like, oh be na andi na iranire na boko nya koenda wichimayaga woko irana kwenda wichimayaga woko irana. Yeah, you understand? Chiri lapse the minute na bono wa failed onye kwende gym kwa chagete ngoende gym 3 times kwa menya kwenda next week otachi etipi. Accept that mnangaki, it is okay. You understand? And don't second guess yourself. Decide where you want to go. Decide, I want to be a business owner. Start thinking big. In fact, when you start thinking big, you find yourself doing great things. You understand? You set standards. You say, don't second guess yourself. Set those goals and say, you know what? I want to succeed. I want to achieve this. Violet, I see you. Sisi time nyinyi ni kusengenya wengine na kuona vile wanavyoendelea katika maisha. Kuna watu wanasengenya. Some people have time kusengenya. But you know, in life, you have to decide where you want to go. Don't second guess yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Just decide. Decide where you want to go. Set your standards. And take pride. Once you've achieved A, B, C, D, don't feel embarrassed to take pride. That's why I come here now. I'm not embarrassed I'm not embarrassed I don't feel bad because it gives me money. Don't be embarrassed of your small achievements. Whatever you are achieving, take pride in it. You are showing off you are doing this. Take pride. Take pride. In fact, you'll find yourself doing very, very, very good. You understand? Motivated. Abantu is to bring you down. People always want to bring you down. When you've done something, before you know it, they're coming and saying, oh, Penny, you set your goals, okay? Take action. Manyanga kina achakire, wono nabira where asimbwate problem. Nchake kokora. Take action. Get into this system. You understand? Accepting, I'm not doing well. I need to get better, chaka koranga again to get onye no koragira buya indagira yawo bangi indagira yawo mbawora kibotambe mburanga njite koragira amacha ane no mbegete gaiga onye gotagete be health amacha onyu buya igo litoke yawo obeke bagime chiapo apo ne ye wansa ape yani wansa ukoyugu buye kero kwanyerire litunda no lire gaiga juice yane no mbwate gaiga ikinande lero nkabwate gaiga ugly fruit ekoro ku dragon fruit no onye bwatega iga wa decide ngantagete nkole gento gete amatunda aya mbwatega iga endagere yo speech enkoli omonto yo moli tukoli tarahera you have decided endagere ni mbwate bali na guga iga lero omochere no lega iga nakanyamaga sininiga oh no, you've decided ngaki this is where I'm going onite yo gochikogo kani ngaki to basa kwenda where you are going. Moving forward, I want to eat healthy. Moving forward, I want to start cooking food. Endagera is not good for you. Ikaransa igagendo bekali tuko okorosie schedule orosie menu otebenga itukogete na itukogete nkorugande endagera gete itukogete na itukogete obegete menu. Onye neli tunda buneli litunda liri ko ni $3-4. It's 300 shillings. Na diba 300 shillings. Okogora. naliba $3 you go kugura naliba $4 you just buy otagetenga otageturagire buya nalyo rabe healthy akamuika ogole kiri gantu kiobeke tayari abantu will discourage you. They'll be saying obi umusubati oligalega yakunya gukora iga barabwi inere gasi yabo manyete kiro muntu nabwate gasi yaye make sure umubiri wawe healthy. So they are set those goals and write them down. Don't be discouraged. That means you are doing well. Do something for yourself. Take pride. Take pride. A bakery standard I'm going to achieve. I must do this. Take pride. Ignore all the noises from all around. Yes, I owe you. Because I always give you my 15 minutes. 10 minutes in the dagger. Thing I can say. Yes, I have a session. If you've not liked my page, there are videos I do on my page. Every day I talk about something. Like my page, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If I succeed, you will succeed. Because now I'm very successful, I'll hold your hand. You understand? Now you're going to that is how we are going to work. Yes, I owe you.